making massive investments in irrigation. I just want to mention what we are doing in Essex Valley. We're spending 1.9 billion Jamaican dollars to complete the installation of irrigation pipes, fittings, and meters to supply and install a renewable energy plant to power the irrigation system and to construct storage and distribution facilities. In addition, as part of the project, our farmers in the Essex Valley will benefit from 27 kilometers of roads which are now currently being rehabilitated. In the Southern Plains Irrigation Scheme, in Parnassus in Clarendon and both Amity Hall and Bridgepen in St. Catherine, we are investing over $1.5 billion to provide access to irrigation water on the fallow sugar lands to increase agricultural productivity. Last year, I announced that after 5 decades of announcement, the Pedro Plains Irrigation Scheme would finally become a reality. We have committed to its designation as a national strategic project. This life-changing initiative will use water from the Black River to irrigate the plains and farmlands in the parish. Thousands of farmers across communities such as Flaggerman, Greenfield, Barbary Hall, Southfield, and Top Hill will benefit from the project. We have now entered the implementation phase. So this is not just announcements because it's been announced and announced and announced. We have started. Cadastral mapping of the parcels of land to be impacted by the distribution network is underway. A direct result of this work is that over 1,000 titles will be produced this year under the project. Madam Speaker, we are getting things done.